Ever make a bad decision? I have. We all have. What separates all of us, though, is what we do after choosing the wrong option. Some people internalize their feelings, berate themselves, and dwell on it. They wonder, what the hell was I thinking? Some make the same mistake over and over, hoping for different results. Yeah, I know the definition of insanity. But there's another road, and that's to embrace your mistakes, not as self-defeating thoughts, but as reminders of the lessons you've learned. One thing I know for sure is that we all make the best decisions we can at the time we make them. I don't think I've ever met anyone who set out to make a bad decision. We do the best we can at that moment in time. Mark Twain said, "Good decisions come from experience. Experience comes from making bad decisions. Still ruminating over a bad decision? Let it go. The scar will always be there if you want to re-examine it. But it's time to cut that anchor loose and sail on with your newfound wisdom to a place of success and inner peace." And since you've watched this far, I know you're committed to being the best, most positive version of yourself possible. So why not share this post? You can help someone else be the best, most positive version of themselves. What a gift. And it's not a decision you'll regret.